Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. This is Engineer Amanullah. Today we are on site of 50 by 90 yani one canal house. So this is two-story house yani ground floor plus first floor. Today we are doing reinforcement of ground floor slab. I will give you all the detail about the reinforcement, how is the structure reinforcement plan and how we have done it. So first we will check it in drawing. So guys, this is a reinforcement plan of the house. You can pause this video and check it in detail. I will give you show you only one portion. This portion we can check here. These are 10 mm steel bars yani 3 सूद 10 mm steel bar at 7 inches spacing, and these are also 10 mm steel bar at 6 inches spacing. Then here these are extra bars. These are 4 सूद yani 12 mm at 6 inches spacing. Length of the bar is 4 feet and 6 inches. So we will check this on site how it is fixed here. So guys, you can check from here. These are 10 mm steel bar fixed at 7 inches spacing, and down this one is also 10 mm steel bars fixed at 6 inches spacing. Then these are extra bars as I showed you in the drawing. These are 12 mm bars and fixed at 6 inches spacing. You can check it from here. These are fixed at 6 inches spacing. So this is how we have fixed the steel. You have also checked the drawing of the reinforcement of slab. Now this is conduit for lighting, electrical conduits. This one here it is junction box. This one is junction box, and all these conduits are spreading in the slab. This one is for drawing room. Then that one is for hall. I think hall there. These guys are doing conduit work. I will also show you material of the conduit, which type of material is used here. So guys, this is material of conduit. This is pipeline UPVC conduit. This is serial number. Make of these conduits is popular conduit. This is Pakistani brand. You can check all the work here. In next video I will show you detail of concrete pouring. Thank you.